So we had a special arrival today. Actually, we had quite a few deliveries, so I don't know how much you automate in your life, but we automate quite a bit. So we do our wellness box from doTERRA. We do good food box for 2 meals a week. I order stuff from Amazon Prime and anywhere else I can that where I can avoid going into big stores and stuff. It's just not my desire these days to do that. And so we wanted to do this tonight, but we're actually going to do it now because we're too excited not to open these boxes. So I've got my wee one, Sierra. She is going to help us, so hold on. Okay, ready, Sierra? Hello, hello. We're homeschooling, which is why we're home. Oh no, it's 4:05, so it doesn't matter. Actually, let's do the other one first. These are the swag items. I know, I'm so mean. I'm not showing any. Those are the items that I got from the doTERRA marketplace. Well, that's hilarious. But let's show the convention kit items first. And if you guys have questions as we go, just go ahead and chat in. And while she's busy doing that, I will answer. And also, if you missed it, I did an online class about all of the items in the convention kit and all of the new releases. So that recording is still available. I'll link that up for you. And I curated and designed an ebook for you as well to walk you through the products, to teach you how to use them and some of the basics and what they're for. Okay.
Never-ending line of magic.
Yeah, I know. Hey guys, thanks for hopping on. All right, let's get to it.
We're going.
Okay. Well, we're going to put all those down, and I'm going to walk you through the wellness kits. And be careful with the big box in there. All right, I'll just walk you through it. So this is one of our immunity kits, our wellness program kits. If you didn't know, doTERRA launched a wellness program so that people can choose a track. So they can choose an immunity track, they can choose a mind and mood track, so for stress, anxiety, and wellness in that area and mental health, and they can choose a pain or a relief track. Now that's through the US warehouse. There's one track through Canada, and you get all three, one each month of immunity, pain, and mind and mood. So if you're Canadian, we have some really super great options. So it's designed to help take the guesswork out of what you should order and how you should use it. So in the immunity kit here, this would be month 1 kit. So each month, there's a program that runs, it's 90 days. So you get 3 different kits. And I went over this in the webinar, so I won't go too much into detail. But you'll see that there are some instructions here and quick instructions on the back. And then when you open it up, I don't know how well you can see, there's a QR code and further instructions in there so that it should be really plug and play as far as your wellness is concerned. So this is the immunity one. I think every single family on the planet right now could benefit from the immunity one. So if you have family members, please let them know. And in it, first you get a reusable bag so you can carry your things along with you. You get the foaming hand soap and the dispenser. So we order one of these probably every 2 months right now in our home, but we also kind of make our own with some of that water and On Guard drops. You get, in the immunity kit comes dental floss. Oral health is super important for our overall health. You get the On Guard hand sanitizing mist, which we're going through a lot of these days. You get an On Guard oil, a 15 ml. Purify essential oil, another cleansing, cleaning, amazing blend for addressing threats in your environment or home, and wild orange. So we use this a lot for our cleaners as well. You're going to get samples of the new doTERRA toothpaste if you're getting an immunity kit, and that all launches October 1st. Be very careful. The new toothpaste has a remineralizing formula added to it. So it's super cute. I think the kids are really going to like this one. They like the On Guard one, but they do find it spicy at times. You do too. So that's the immunity kit, and all those go in there. Okay, so let's push this aside.
Yeah, Mom.
This was an add-on, I think. Yes, because what comes with the convention kit is the mind and mood. This, careful.
I'm very careful.
You are, but you didn't look like you were being careful. This is the relief kit. So this is one of the other track options if you're someone who struggles with pain, inflammation, challenges in that area, whether it's daily or intermittent or occasional. So this is all geared towards reducing pain and inflammation. Why I love this one, this track, especially if you have pain, is that that's a lot of crinkling. It's gonna address pain from the inside out and the outside in. So from the inside out, we have our you get a container of deep blue polyphenols. So this is for, it's your antioxidant support, reduces inflammation in the body. In kit 1, so this is just kit 1, you get deep blue sample packs. So you get 10 of those to carry around with you. You never know when pain is gonna strike. You get a massage ball.
And a deep blue oil.
And a deep blue roll-on. So it's a huge value in here. This ball, if you've never used one of these, we'll talk about that later, but you would put it on a certain area and roll it in or roll against it on the floor or on the wall. So the relief kit, this is a really great start for people who are in pain or have inflammation in the body.
It's a relief.
It's a relief kit, yes. Soothing kit is what it'll be called in Canada. Relief is what it's called out of the US warehouse. What do you have there, my friend?
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap. We love bubble wrap, don't we? Pursue. So if you got tickets to convention, you got one of these rollers. And if you grab a convention kit, you get a Pursue roller. So it is a custom exclusive blend, and it's really, really pretty. And it's the intention behind it is about pursuing what's pure, pursuing, pure intentions, pure business practices. We're looking at clarity and vision for the future, and that's more of the emotional side.
Wow, careful.
This is the convention kit itself. So these were all, those two wellness kits were add-ons. Not a diffuser, no. Yes, I think you're really gonna like it. So a remineralizing toothpaste, they've added this in, they've added a few different items. If you know a dental hygienist or a dentist, I would love to give them some samples of this to try. I know that it's hard to find a good toothpaste that has all the features that you want.
Stickers!
Oh, thank goodness. I love when they send stickers. It like makes me so happy. These small things make me happy.
What is this weird thing?
These are On Guard hand wipes, okay? So like a baby wipe or a serviette. Don't open it though yet. Because we're not in the middle of a grocery store. Not right now. Don't. And so if you take these in your purse, tear them off and use it to wipe down your cart, or if you're traveling, you wipe it on your airplane tray, although we're not really doing much of that these days, but you're going to use this wherever you need to sanitize a surface. Really convenient for the purse later, or the baby bag. What's that called? Diaper bag? I haven't had a baby for a while. It will come in a bigger pack as well, like a 50 pack. Well, I don't wipe your bum anywhere, do I? I don't clean the change table right now. doTERRA, this is a beautiful, beautiful roller. I smelled it last week. To me, it smells like a really relaxing tea, but floral and fruity at the same time. It's supposed to change on everyone's skin and smell a little bit different. So this would be like your very own custom, like super custom aroma. And it's great for skin and mood uplifting. It's a beautiful oil for those areas, and I honestly have to study up more on it to know more of its effects, but again, we did it in the webinar.
Bergamot mint.
Bergamot mint. This is an oil that is calming, good for mood. It doesn't smell like bergamot at all. It's like a very subtle minty, almost like a cross between peppermint and spearmint.
No.
And
That's
it's from the
wintergreen.
Oh, kind of, yeah, I see where you're getting that. It doesn't have any of the UV issues with it as well.
Soap.
We got a new bath bar, the Balance Soap. I'm sure my hubby's gonna love that. I love their bath bars. If you've never tried a doTERRA bath bar, nice, hey?
Black.
You should try, because they're really, really good. I hated bath bars before I met doTERRA's. I just thought, anyway. And then Tulsi, Holy Basil. So this is an exclusive oil that's just in the convention kit, and it's Lovely also. What are you looking at?
There was a closed low battery thing.
Oh, low battery.
Helichrysum.
Helichrysum touch.
Some helichrysum.
Helichrysum. Yep. So the other ones were add-ons. Those were all part of the convention kit. And the wellness kit that comes with the convention kit is the mind and mood.
Mind
Quite the
and mood
mind and mood.
kit.
So what comes in here? I'm so glad they included this one. You get everything for mind and mood as a good start. And if you chose the mind and mood track, you get 3 months of different products and oils to support healthy mind and mood. And I know this winter is going to be even tougher with everything going on. So we get a mini balanced deodorant. So we're doing easy for travel. You get adaptive capsules. If you've never tried those, they are going to shift your day. You get an adaptive touch, and you get balance. So, and again, the neoprene, the special bag. So some of these things you can't buy on their own. You can't buy this. You can't buy the, what can you buy? The deep blue ball, and you can't buy the On Guard floss. And as you go down the track, and each month you get a different one based on the same line of what you're looking at, you would get a different. So more about that coming for sure, but definitely it was on the webinar. And what else do we need here, Sierra?
Adaptive thingamajigs.
Adaptive capsules. Awesome.
Then we got them balance.
Yeah, you got balance. You showed me and I'll pull out the last thing.
Then no,
Not
don't
No.
touch. You can pull it out, but I get to open it.
Okay.
Then the adaptive roller, amazing, am I right?
I'm going to open it too. 'Cause this
Then
is
the
so-
beautiful handbag.
And the handbag. I don't know, is this helpful for you guys? Do you like seeing stuff like this type of unboxing? I know this one's a bit longer than it would normally be.
That's because we have a million boxes.
That's because we have a million boxes. Maybe I'll create 2 videos. The second one will be the other swag. I know people's attention spans are not. We've got a lot going on these days. Okay, so great new diffusers coming with doTERRA. One is portable, another one is glass, different designs. This though is what I was most excited about. Actually,
Wrapping paper.
it's not wrapping paper.
Yeah, it is.
Be careful. Tissue paper. I'm glad they have all this protection here because I would not want this to be wrecked. Go ahead.
Voila. What is it?
This is a humidifier. So one of the questions lots of people ask every winter is, can I put essential oils in my humidifier? And usually the answer is no, because it doesn't have the right type of reservoir. You can't clean it. It's just not something that we can say yes.
Eggs.
And so, hold on. Slow down,
I
Missy.
thought this was a speaker.
No, it kind of looks like a speaker. So it is a little bit larger.
Instructions, my people.
It is a little bit larger because it has a large water reservoir. It will take up some space on your bedside table, but if you're someone who struggles with congestion or difficulties breathing and you really need that extra support, whether it's during the season when we get a lot of ragweed, etc., or if it's in the winter when we are congested, or new mamas always ask for a humidifier option for their stuffy little babies because that's a miserable process. So you can see there's a large reservoir, and you're going to put the water in and the oils in, and it's just, I have to read all of the instructions to know for sure the exact way, but easy peasy, okay?
Woo.
Super easy. You don't need to take all the things out right
I
now.
love taking tea.
I know you do. Alrighty. Okay, so that's the one I was most excited about. So those are the items in my convention kit, and my house looks like a bomb went off. Excuse me. And I'll go through the swag box next. I probably have to charge my phone, honestly, to do the next one. But I'm really thrilled for all of these new items and repurposed items. And most of all, I'm most thrilled about the wellness programs. So again, immunity, you can do more than one at a time. So if you're brand new to doTERRA and you're like, I really want to focus on my immune system this fall, and I want to focus on my mental health, then get one of each. They're really reasonably priced, and it's very plug and play. Okay, we teach you how to do it. The instructions come with it, so you don't have to feel like you don't know what you're doing. Okay, well, I think that's all for now. I'm going to put this stuff away, make more room, and then I'll show you some of the swag from the swag store, which I think some of it is actually still available. Hopefully the wrong people don't watch this because some of them might be gifts. And I will see you guys later.